channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is unleashing the delights of your Lush garden. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We got the images from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. So, first we will color the background. Right click, Format Background. We go to Fill, Solid Fill Color. With eyedropper, we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Then we will insert a rectangle. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Shapes, choose and click Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format Size Height 19.05. It's about 7.5 inches and width 14.8 centimeters, or it's about 5.82 inches if you have inches in your settings. 14.8 centimeters. Now we want to cut the rectangle and play with triangles. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes again. We choose the right triangle, we click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape, Format, Rotate, Flip Horizontal, and we go to Shape, Format, Size, Height, 19.05 centimeters, or 7.5 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 7.84 centimeters, and if you have inches in your settings it's about 3.08 inches. We put it in the desired position. We choose the rectangle, then with shift pressed we choose the triangle, and we go to Shape, Format, click Subtract. We copy the rectangle, the shape that we have created, and we put it outside of the design area. Now we want to add a triangle from the right side. We choose Insert, Shapes, Right Triangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape, Format, we want to rotate it. Shape, Format, Rotate, Flip Horizontal, and we put it in the desired position. Let's go and give dimensions. Shape, Format, Size, Height 19.05 centimeters. It's about 7.5 inches if you have inches in your settings, and 10.5 centimeter width, and we put it in the desired position. Shape, Outline, no outline. We go to the shape, Outline, no outline. In these two shapes, 1 and 2, we want to insert images. We go to Insert Picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Then right click Cut. Click the shape that we want to insert the image, right click, Format Shape, Picture or Texture Fill, click Clipboard. Now we want to insert one more picture, one more image. We go to Insert Picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert, click Insert, right click Cut. we choose the shape that we want to insert the image. Format shape, picture, texture fill, click clipboard. Now we notice that the first image is very intense. We will insert the transparent image that we have right. We will add the transparency, same shape, to reduce the intensity of the image. Format shape, we set the transparency at 76%. Line, no line. Now we will insert two isosceles triangles. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose isosceles triangle from Basic Shapes. We click in the design area and drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height. We put 4.7 centimeters. It's about 1.85 inches if you have inches in your settings. And width 14 centimeters. And if you have inches in your settings, it's about 5.51 inches. Shape outline, no outline. We go to change the color of the triangle, isosceles triangle. We go to Shape Format, Shape Fill. With eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, the last color. And we put it in the desired position. Right click, send to back. Now we want to copy this isosceles triangle. Right click copy, right click paste. And we want to put another one isosceles triangle down there. We want to change its color. Shape Format, Shape Fill. With eyedropper we choose the color that we want from the left side outside of the design area. We extend a little bit the size of the triangle. Right click, send to back. Now we will insert our title. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from Home ribbon Palatino Linotype, size 32, bold and black color as it is, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe, Unleashing the delights of your Lush garden. Close apostrophe, center the text, and now the magical finishing touch to our design is to add two small burgundy frames, L shapes, to frame the title. We go to Insert, we choose Shapes. From Basic Shapes, we choose L shape. We click in the design area, we adjust the sides and we rotate it. We go to Shape Format, Shape Fill. With eyedropper we choose the color that we want from the left side outside of the design area. Shape outline, no outline. And then we copy one more time the L shape. Right click copy, right click paste, and we put it from the other side. We rotate it and we put it from the other side. Now we want to insert the presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Home ribbon, we choose Palatino Linotype font and size 20, bold, and we write our presenter's name, Martha G. Santos, and we put it in the desired position. Now it is transition time. In this particular title slide presentation, we will add transitions for a change. Right click in the title, duplicate slide, we go to the first slide, the previous slide, and put all the elements of the slide outside the design area. First we group the image with a transparent rectangle. Right click, group, group. Let's go to the zoom to see it clearly. We rotate it and we put it outside of the design area. Click the image, we rotate it and we put it outside of the design area. Click the shape, we rotate it and we put it outside of the design area. In the same way we continue with the other elements. Then we go to the second slide, the last slide, and we choose from transitions, morph. And then click the slideshow button to see the result. We go to the previous slide, click slideshow button, click down arrow to see the final result. Thank you for watching. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!